in supporting our community, most especially our PDL, is invaluable, ma'am. Together, we can create an environment that fosters hope, understanding, and healing. Your role in guiding and empowering these individuals is crucial, and your support will help break the cycle of addiction and build a stronger community. Today, as we launch the second batch of Katatagan at Damayan ng Komunidad, we stand at a pivotal moment filled with promise and potential. This initiative embodies our collective commitment to resilience, healing, and community support. Napakahalaga po ma'am ng suporta ninyo sa amin, sa lahat ng BJP Ma'am James. And isa po ang Balongaw District Chain sa multi-awarded chain po ma'am. Siyempre, led by our Balongaw District Chain Warden. Parati pong nabibigyan po sila ng award. Every quarterly po yan ma'am, hindi po nawawala. Ang Balongaw District Chain at ang Balongaw District Chain Warden. Yan, I salute you. Una, tignan po natin, no? Hindi ko na babasahin lahat kasi katatagan sa ating mga PDL, no? Ano ko, marami kayong mga pinagdaanan, marami kayong mga problema na naranasan. And wala pong exception dyan. Lahat po tayo nakaranas po ng gano'n. Pero, sabi nga ni Mayor, no?